how to change the date and time of when the pictures was captured in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, tap on the gallery app. Now in the gallery app, make sure you go back to your gallery homepage. Then open up the picture. Next, tap on the more button at the top and then tap on details. In details, we go down and tap on edit. In here, tap on the date and timestamp at the top here. Here you can change the date and time. You can change the month and year. Tap on the time tag at the top will allow you to modify the time. And then tap on done. And that is how you can change the timestamp of the picture or the date when it was captured. Now don't forget to go down and tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.